Good morning. In this lecture, I am going to explain about linear partial differential equations of first order or linear equations of first order. A linear partial differential equation of the form P into P plus Q into Q is equal to R. Here, capital P, capital Q, capital R are functions of x, y, z. And here we know that small p and small q are partial derivatives. Here p is equal to dou z by dou x and q is equal to dou z by dou y. This type of equations are called Lagrange's partial differential equations or generally Lagrange's equations. The solution of this type of equations is given by pi of u comma v is equal to 0, where u comma v are functions of x, y, z. Here we have a procedure to solve this type of equations, which is called working rule. So first the given equation is p into p plus q into q is equal to r. First write down the auxiliary equations like dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. And second step, out of three equations, take any two equations and find the solution. So we get two solutions are there. That is u is equal to a and v is equal to b are two solutions where a comma b are constants. Now the solution of pp plus qq is equal to r is f of u comma v is equal to 0 or u is equal to f of v. See example. First example is y minus zp plus x minus yq is equal to z minus x. This is the given equation. This is in the form of pp plus qq is equal to r. Here p is equal to y minus z, q is equal to x minus y, r is equal to z minus x. To solve this equation, first write the auxiliary equations, right? The auxiliary equations are dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. We know p, q, r values. Substitute p, q, r values, we get dx by y minus z, dx by y minus z, dy by x minus y, dz by z minus x. So out of three equations, you take any two and find the solution. For that, first I choose 1 comma 1 comma 1 as multipliers and find dx plus dy plus dz. Dx plus dy plus dz by multiply y minus z by 1 and z minus x minus y by 1 and z minus x by 1 and add all these three. We get dx plus dy plus dz by y minus z plus x minus y plus z minus x is equal to, in the denominator all gets cancelled, we get dx plus dy plus dz by 0. Here this is nothing but we can write this as dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. Then integrate, we get integral dx plus integral dy plus integral dz is equal to 0. Integral dx is, we know that x plus y plus z is equal to constant c1. Again take the multipliers x comma z comma y as multipliers. We get x dx plus z dy plus y dz by, first multiply y minus z by x here plus x minus y into z plus z minus x into y, and we get x dx plus y z dy plus y dz by xy minus xz, zx minus zy, yz minus xy. Here all r gets cancelled. We get x dx plus y dy plus z dz by 0. That is x dx plus z dy plus y dz is equal to 0, right? You write this as x dx plus d into yz is equal to 0. Y z dy plus y dz we can write as this as d of yz. So x dx plus d of yz is equal to 0. Now integrating on both sides, we get integral x dx plus integral d of yz is equal to 0. X dx integration is x square by 2. Integral d of yz is yz is yz. So we get x square by 2 plus yz is equal to c2. Therefore, combine these two solutions, we get general solution of the given equation. The general solution is f of u comma v. So you write or you can take f of c1 comma c2 is equal to 0. So first solution is x plus y plus z. Second solution is x square by 2 plus yz. So therefore the solution is f of x plus y plus z comma x square by 2 plus yz is equal to 0. Now observe second example. See, solve this type of equation. Solve this equation, y plus z into p plus z plus x into q is equal to x plus 5. First compare this equation with pp plus qq is equal to r. Here p is equal to y plus z, q is equal to z plus x, r is equal to x plus 5. Now first step, write auxiliary equations. Dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. So dx by, what is p? Y plus z. So dx by y plus z is equal to dy by z plus x is equal to dz by x plus y. From these three equations, take any two, find the solution. So we will get two solutions. In the same way, choose multipliers 1 minus 1 0. What we get? 1 into dx minus 1 into dy plus 0 into dz. So 1 into dx and 1 into y plus z plus minus 1 into z plus x plus 0 into x plus y. This implies we get dx minus dy, dx minus dy by y plus z minus z plus minus x. So z is cancel. We get dx minus dy by y minus x. Dx minus dy by y minus x, right? And take multipliers as 0, 1, minus 1. We can get another. So see here, 0 dx plus 1 dy minus 1 dz. We get, what will get? Dx minus dz. So here dy minus dz by 0 into z, y plus z is 0. So 1 into z plus x minus y. X cancel, we get z minus y. And choose one more multipliers, 1 comma 1 comma 1. So 1 dx plus 1 dy plus 1 dz is 1 into y plus z plus x plus y. We'll get x dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So now this equating these three terms, that is dx minus dy by y minus x, dy minus dz by z minus y, dx plus dy plus dz by 2 into x plus y plus z. By out of these three equations, take any two. So first I take dx minus dy by x, y minus x is equal to dy minus yz by z minus y. So you write this as dx minus dy by minus of x minus y is equal to dy minus dz by minus of y minus z. Minus minus cancel. Then integrate. What we get? Integral dx minus dy by x minus y is equal to integral dy minus dz by y minus z. This is in the form of f dash x by f of x. So this we can get the solution. The integration of f dash x by f of x is log f of x. So log x minus y is equal to log y minus z. I take integral constant as log c1. So log x minus y minus log y minus z is equal to log c1. We know log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Apply this formula. We get log x minus y by y minus z is equal to log c1. So therefore the solution is x minus y by y minus z is equal to c1 or u is equal to c1. Here where u is equal to x minus y by y minus z is equal to c1. You take this as u x u is equal to a or u is equal to c1. Now second take another two. Minus dy minus dx by y minus x is equal to dx plus dy plus dz by 2 of x plus y plus z. I write this as dx plus dy plus dz by 2 of x plus y plus z plus dy minus dx by y minus x. Now integrate on both sides. We get integral dx plus dy plus dz by x plus y plus z plus integral 2 of dy minus dx by y minus x. The same way again apply integral f dash x by f of x formula. We get log of x plus y plus z plus 2 into log of y minus x is equal to, I take integral constant as log c2. So log x plus y plus z plus log, you write 2 log y minus x as log y minus x whole square is equal to log c2. We know log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Apply that formula. We get log of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square is equal to c2. Then from this we write x plus y plus z into y minus x whole square is equal to c2. We get one solution is x minus y by y minus z is equal to c1. X plus y plus z into y minus x whole square is equal to c2. So combine these two solutions, we get general solution. So therefore the general solution is f of c1 comma c2 is equal to 0. That is f of x minus y, y minus z of x plus y plus z into y minus x whole square is equal to 0. See one more example. Solve x square into y minus zp plus y square into z minus 6q is equal to z square into x minus 5. First check is this equation in the form of pp plus qq is equal to 0. Yes, it is in the form of p into p plus q into q is equal to r. So this is a Lagrange linear partial differential equation. To solve this, first write p value, q value, r value, and then write auxiliary equations by this given equations. Take any two out of three, find the solution. Finally, combine these two solutions, we get general solution. This is the process of to find a solution. So first take here p is equal to x square into y minus z, q is equal to y square into z minus x plus r is equal to z square into x minus y. So auxiliary equations are dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Therefore dx by x square into y minus z plus dy by z square into y square into z minus x is equal to dz by z square into x minus y. Simply we write this as 1 by x square dx by y minus z is equal to 1 by y square dy by z minus x plus 1 by z square dz by x minus y. So combine all, add all these two numerators. 1 by x square dx plus 1 by y square dy plus 1 by z square dz. We get z in the denominator y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y. All gets cancelled. We get x minus y whole square, x minus x square 1 by x square dx plus 1 by y square dy plus 1 by z square dz by 0. That is nothing but, you can write this as 1 by x square dx plus 1 by y square dy plus 1 by z square dz is equal to 0. Therefore, then integrate on both sides. You get integral 1 by x square dx plus integral 1 by y square dy plus 1 by z square dz. So integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x minus 1 by y minus 1 by z is equal to my c1. I take integral constant minus c1. So simplify this. We get 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to c1. Take LCM. LCM is xyz. We get yz plus zx plus xy by xyz is equal to c1. That is one solution. Again, I write this as x square. I can write 1 by x into dx by x into y minus z is equal to 1 by y dy by y into z minus x is equal to 1 by z into dz by z into x minus y. Same again, add these two, 3. 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz by x into y minus z plus y into z minus x plus z into x minus y. We get 1 by x dx plus 1 by dy plus 1 by z dz is equal to 0. Then integrate on both sides. we get 1 integral 1 by x dx plus integral 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz. 1 by x dx integration of 1 by x dx is log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log c2. So log x y z is equal to log c2 because log a plus log b plus log c is equal to log abc. So I can write this as log x into y into z is equal to log c2. From this you write x y z is equal to c2. So we get a solution c1 xy plus yz plus zx by xyz is equal to c1 and xyz is equal to c2. Combine these two, we get general solution, that is f of c1 comma c2 is equal to 0. Therefore f of yz plus zx plus xy by xyz comma xyz is equal to 0. That is the general solution of the given linear partial differential equation by Lagrange's method. So, and as observe one more problem. X into z square minus y square p plus y into x square minus z square q is equal to z into y square minus x square. Here compare this equation. First pp plus qq is equal to r. Capital P is equal to x into z square minus y square. Capital Q is equal to y into x square minus z square plus capital R is equal to z into y square minus x square. So the auxiliary equation is dx by x into z square minus y square plus dy by y into x square minus z square is equal to dz by z into x square minus y square minus x square. So first I take multipliers as, so first I write this as 1 by x dx by x square minus y square is equal to 1 by y dy by x square minus z square is equal to 1 by z dz by x square minus y square minus x square. So that implies 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz, we get x square minus z square minus y square plus x square minus z square plus y square minus x square. All R gets cancelled, we get 0. So from this we can write 1 by x plus 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 1 by z dz is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, integral 1 by x dx plus integral 1 by dy plus integral 1 by z dz, that is log x plus log y plus log z is equal to log c1. Log of xyz is equal to log c1, xyz is equal to c1. This is the one solution. Now choose multipliers xyz. I write x dx plus y dy plus z dz. We get x square into z square minus y square plus y square to z square x square minus z square plus z square to y square minus x square, and multiply, all gets cancelled. We get x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. So integrating on both sides, we get x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to c2. That implies x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2c2, and 2c2 is can be written as c2 because it's a constant. So combine these two solutions, we get f of xyz is equal to f of x comma y xyz in comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. This is general solution of the given equation. See, one more problem. Mz minus nyp plus nx minus lzq is equal to ly minus mx. First here p is equal to mz minus ny, q is equal to nx minus lz, r is equal to ly minus mx. By comparing given equation with pp plus qq is equal to r. We know p, q and r. Write auxiliary equations. Dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. So dx by mz minus ny is equal to dy by nx minus lz is equal to dz by ly minus mx. Choose multipliers x, y, z. So what happens? X dx plus y dy plus z dz. We get x dx plus y dy plus z dz by x into mz minus ny plus y into nx minus lz plus z into ly minus mx. So this is x dx plus y dy plus z dz by x mz minus nxy plus nxy minus lyz plus zly minus mxz. All R gets cancelled. We get x dx plus y dy plus z dz by 0. So we can write this as x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. So now integrating on both sides, we get integral x dx plus integral y dy plus integral z dz is equal to 0. X square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to c1. And simplify this, we write this as x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2c1. I take this is a constant c1. So thus for the solution is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c1. This is the first solution. Again, choose L, M, N as multipliers. L dx plus M dy plus N dz by L into Mx minus Ny plus M into Nx minus Lz plus N into Ly minus Mx. So L dx plus M dy plus N dz by Lmz minus N Lny minus Mnx minus Mlz plus Nly minus Mxn. All gets cancelled. We get L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0. So L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, we get integral L dx plus integral M dy plus integral N dz. So the integration is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to C2. Hence the general solution is, combine these two. General solution f of C1 comma C2 is equal to 0. That is f of x square plus y square plus z square plus x square plus y square plus z square comma Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to 0. Here observe one thing, choose multipliers such that we get the denominator is 0. Okay. If you get denominator 0, then you can write L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0. That is form. Then you can easily integrate to get a solution. Here one more problem. X square minus y square minus z square p plus 2xyq is equal to 2xz. Compare the given equation with pp plus qq is equal to r. We get p is equal to x square minus y square minus z square, q is equal to 2xy, r is equal to 2xz. So auxiliary equation, dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. So dx by x square minus y square minus z square is equal to dy by 2xy is equal to dz by 2xz. Now first take these two equations. Dy by 2xy is equal to dz by 2xz. 2x cancel. We get dy by y is equal to dz by z. So by using this, we can easily integrate. So integrate on both sides. Integral dy by y is equal to integral dz by z. So log y is equal to log z plus log c1. Log y minus log z is equal to log c1. Y by z is equal to c1 because log a minus log b is log a by b. So log y minus y by z is equal to log c1. That implies y by z is equal to c1. This is the one solution. So now take multipliers x, y, z. X dx plus y dy plus z dz. What happens? X dx plus y dy plus, I write multiply by 2 also. 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz by x cube minus x square, xy square minus xz square plus 2xy square plus 2xz square. Okay. So 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz by x cube plus xy square plus xz square, that is 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz by x into x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz by x into x square plus y square plus z square is equal to dz by xz. X cancel. So 2 of x dx plus y dy plus z dz by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to dz by z. Okay. Now integrate on both sides. We get integral 2 of x dx plus y dy plus z dz by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to integral dz by z. See here, observe this. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Derivative of y square is 2y. Derivative of z square is 2z. So numerator is derivative of the denominator. So it is in the form of f dash x by f of x. So Integral f dash x by f of x is log f of x. So log x square plus y square plus z square is equal to dz by z is log z plus I take integral constant is log c2. So log z, bring this side, log x square plus y square plus z square minus log z is equal to log c2. Apply log a minus log b. We'll get log x square plus y square plus z square by z is equal to log c2. So x square plus y square plus z square by z is equal to c2. This is one solution. And another solution is yz x y by z is equal to c1. So using these two, write a solution y f of y by z is comma x square plus y square plus z square by z is equal to 0. And for practice purpose, y square z by x into p plus zxq is equal to y square. See, this in the form of pp plus qq is equal to r. Here p is equal to y square z by x, q is equal to zx, r is equal to y square. Now write auxiliary equations. dx by y square z is equal to dy by zx square is equal to dz by xy square. So take first two, dx by here dx by y square z is equal to dz by xy square. Y square cancel. X by dz, sorry, dx by dz is equal to dz by x. And cross multiply, you get x dx is equal to z dz. So integrate on both sides. Integral x dx plus is equal to integral z dz. So x square by 2 is equal to z square by 2 plus c. So x square minus z square is equal to 2c. 2c1, one solution. And take another two, we'll get another solution. Okay. Overall in this lecture, first pp plus qq is equal to r. This is a linear partial differential equation, and this is called Lagrange's partial differential equation. To solve pp plus qq is equal to r, first write auxiliary equations, that is dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. From these three equations, out of three, we take any two to get two solutions. So the solutions are u is equal to c1 or v is equal to c2. So finally, to find the general solution, combine these two solutions, f of, and write f of u comma v is equal to 0, or u is equal to f of v, or v is equal to f of u. That is the process overall. And this is the solution of linear partial differential equation of the form pp plus qq is equal to